Hi everyone! Today I am going to show you a way to make making sushi even faster. With this simple trick, you will be able to keep your bamboo mat clean so you'll never have to wash it. We can do this by protecting it with 2 layers of plastic wrap. In this video, we'll be using regular sized plastic wrap. For the first layer, cut the plastic wrap so that it's twice as long as the length of the mat itself. Wrap it up, making sure to leave some space for the extra air to escape. For the second layer, rotate the mat and wrap it tight with plastic wrap twice the length of the mat once again. To finish, use a toothpick to poke a few holes to release the trapped air. This will help the wrap to cling tightly to the sushi mat. And now it's ready for you to use. After using it to make sushi, all you have to do to maintain it is take one layer off, then put on a new layer of plastic wrap. This way, your bamboo sushi mat will stay clean and fresh forever. No cleaning or replacements required. Thank you for watching. Please like the video if you enjoyed the recipe and subscribe for more traditional Asian recipes. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section.